Take a quick scroll through the markets. Got a big bounce going on. VIX futures are actually coming off now, finally, after getting all the way up to the 23 handle. They're back down to 21. As you might expect, the S&P is doing a lot of that driving. The S&P got down to, where's our low here? Our low here is 91. We're all the way back up to 71, so we're 80 points off the low, and SPOO is making new highs right now. It's certainly impressive. Going into Italy, Italian stocks have bounced aggressively. They're up 2% now. China A50 at SGX. Chinese stocks are actually higher. We were worried about it yesterday's high yesterday. They're looking stronger. A lot of calming talks have been coming out. Posters talking about it if it does get to the U.S., despite what CDC is saying, it's going to be a massive breakout and blah, 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 blah. Everything's going to be fine. Newt Gingrich was on Mornings with Maria this morning saying this thing's nowhere near as big as people seem to think it is. Wash your hands, it'll be fine. So stocks are buying into that. One stock that is not over the close right now is TFX. The Set 50 in Thailand is still down heavily, but I believe that market is closed right now, so I can't really enjoy this. But they are bouncing in Korea. This is Kospi. Kospi futures are actually up a little bit now at KRX. What else do we have here? Bonds are now down by 28. They had a big drop off. Ultras got as high as 201.31. We're down to 199, so they've lost a point and a quarter there. I know Buxel has made a big drop. Buxel is like 3 points off its high. There it's down 214 now for the day. Got all the way up to 215.52. So it's almost 3 points it's pulled off of there. Starting to see some give back now across the board. Crude's actually bouncing a bit. I'll pull up a 5-minute chart. This crude is actually steaming higher right now. We're almost back. We're back unchanged in April crude. RBOB is still lower at least, so we got that going for us. There's sour crude at China at INE. That's still down, but that's they're also closed, so I can't do much about that one. Let's get to look at here right now. Gold, just passed by gold. Gold's down by 19. It is bouncing though, so we're getting some sort of relief there, but not too much. That's a half-hour chart I'm looking at right now. I'm sorry, it's a 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. Go daily. So trying to bounce a little bit, but see where it really goes. Platinum's down 2%. Silver's down 2%. Silver's down 38 cents. We bounced in there. Can't really see. Let me pull up a shorter term variation chart. Bounced a little bit, but still definitely getting a smack down there in silver again. Iron ore had a really rough night at DCE, Dalian Commodity Exchange, but they're closed, but it's showing some sort of life at SGX a little bit. SGX iron ore contract has bounced a little bit. Bitcoin is just down across the board, 4 to 5%. Bitcoin Cash is down 11%, 12% lower for Litecoin. So there's no flight to safety there in cryptos whatsoever. Dollar index is getting some legs. Dollar index is up 26. Taking some heat off of the yen now. The yen is actually rolled over pretty substantially, down about 0.5%. After it had its 3 days of relief rally tied to let's go to a safe haven of yen. That seems to be getting wiped out a little bit. Down in the ags, corn's bounced a little bit. Soybeans have bounced a little bit. Wheat is still lower. What about the meats? Meats aren't doing too much at all. So sugar's down by a quarter. Coffee's up by $1.35. And lumber's up by $9. Lumber got a strong number on housing for mortgages, I believe, today, so they're looking a bit better there. Came off, but we're bouncing, so see how that goes.